Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm starting off this video with a pasta recipe. I'm making beetroot sauce pasta. So here I've got some onion, broccoli and garlic. These are going to be the veggies that I'm going to be adding. And on the other side I'm boiling some beetroot. So I just felt like let's make a beetroot sauce pasta. So yeah, I decided to make some. So first what we're gonna do is boil this beetroot, and I had some leftover spaghetti, so I'm not gonna boil the pasta. You just want to ensure that they're a bit tender so you can puree them into a nice sauce. You don't really need to add anything else as such in this boiling beetroot thing. Other things that you'll be needing are some cheese. You can use any sort of a cheese. Here I'm just using a little bit of cream cheese. This is like a new one from Amul and I was super excited to try it out. So I've got the Amul cream cheese. So what we're going to start off is heat some oil. In that oil we're going to saute onion, garlic and beetroot. So we're going to be making two types of sauce. One is going to be like the beetroot sauce and other is going to be like this onion garlic mixture, because that's important. We're just going to saute it until it turns into a bit brownish, and once it's done like that, I'm going to add some chili flakes and oregano like I did for the mushroom sauce. And this is like a base recipe, so you can replace it with some zucchini, broccoli or beetroot or mushroom, whatever sauce you want to make. So I've chopped the beetroot pieces and now I'm just sauteing it, and it turns out to be a beautiful thick pink color. I'm adding some more seasoning because I felt it was a bit less, and once that is done we are going to puree it into a nice pink sauce. Now in the same pan with a very little oil, I'm sauteing broccoli, and once the broccolis are sauteed, we're going to add this mushroom pink sauce like I showed you. It was super rich. I mean, of course you can taste beetroot because it's prominently beetroot. So if you're someone who wants a little healthier option, you can go ahead and pick up this. Now once the sauce was all heated properly, I added some water, some cream cheese, and then mixed in some spaghetti. It was super yummy. I couldn't take more clips, but it was like very pink. I'm just packing my lunch as well. So in the lunch I took this beetroot pasta, some chopped peanuts to top up. Hi guys, it is almost going to be weekend. It's Friday today and I'm working from home. I wasn't really feeling the best in the morning, so I decided to work from home. I'd gone to gym, got my workout done, and now I'm just working on a competitor analysis. So yeah, and I'm also making a video I had filmed long time back. I'm just making it live now. And apart from that, what are my plans today? Nothing, yeah, just work, kaam karna hai. I might go to run some errands. Yeah, I need to bring like 2-3 things. Also the milk that I haven't really had it since 3 days now because it was over, and I was just having like regular milk, the Amul milk, like regular Amul milk. I have the Amul skim milk because it does make me bloat. So yeah, I need to get that thing done. Let's see how the day goes, but otherwise it's pretty chill. Have some random work to complete, which is going to be never ending, of course. So that is what I'm up to right now. Let's just do that. Also, I haven't really touched my planner yet today. I usually do like that in the morning, but aaj kuch hua nahi hai, so I'll probably do that first things first. And the reason I really want to get done like today, because I want to have a long weekend. I want some things to be done, completed. I think it's been almost 3 weeks now I'm not getting Saturdays. Like all my Saturdays have been like work. But this time I'm like, nahi Himani, you really need to figure out a way. So that's what I'm planning. I picked up my planner and did some planning after I finished off my work and filmed a ton of videos, guys. Hi guys, so I just finished my shoot and I just wanted to share, like I'm gonna take off my makeup, but I wanted to share the lipstick that I was wearing, which is from Mamaearth. It's their soft matte long stay lipstick in the variant 04 Berry Nude. So it's like a berry color at the same time nude, and this is like a berry nude color, exactly how you can see. I've already used it, but I'm going to reapply. You see, it's a beautiful nude shade, and it lasts long. I mean, you can see throughout the 7 videos that I shot, it lasted long, and it's great. They have a lot of other shade options that you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll swatch them here so you get a better idea. So these are the Mama Earth Soft Matte Long Stay Lipstick. Mama Earth is a plastic positive Indian brand, and all of their products are natural and free of any harmful chemicals. I love their makeup range. It's so versatile, so good, and actually quite affordable and effective. So these are their long stay moisture soft lipsticks, which are enriched with jojoba oil. So they give you a creamy finish matte look, at the same time super long lasting. I also like the bulletproof packaging. I mean, it's so convenient and highly pigmented. Every time you buy from Mama, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. The exact geolocation picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. If you're interested in purchasing any of their products, you can use my code Himani2024 to get 20% off on the Mama Earth website. Their products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Mama Earth app, and their offline stores. So they've launched their official app, so you can get early access to sales and extra discounts. And of course, like I told you, they have their offline stores as well, where you can physically go and check out these lipsticks and their other products. So I'll leave the links below. Do check it out. Now I'm going to remove my makeup using this micellar gentle makeup remover wipes from Mama Earth. These are like great for on the go ones. I usually keep it in my bag. Today, because I'm running late and I don't want to do like a complete oil cleansing, I'm just going to go ahead and use one of these gentle micellar removing makeup wipes from Mama Earth. And this is how they are. You need to open them up so it's easier for you to cleanse. So let me just quickly share. You see, in like one swipe it removes all the makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do. It also removes like my eye makeup. Just see the difference in one swipe. So it's great for that, and we're gonna keep doing it, right? I will remove the makeup and then meet you guys. So later the other day, I visited Tim Hortons. It was recently opened, not recently, but yeah, it was opened in Balewadi, and I went there. This is what my brother had ordered, and this is what I ordered. And oh my god, I love Tim Hortons coffee. Highly recommend you guys to go ahead and try out. The bagel was okay-ish, but I really enjoyed the coffee. I ordered the cold brew. Next day, I was having some of my morning energy drink and this berry smoothie that I'd made with chia seeds. Then I went on to film my budgeting closeout video for February. This video is already up on my budget channel in case you want to check it out. So I really like to do these kind of things in the morning after I take a shower, get ready and all of that. So I was doing that. And once that was done, I decided to move on to my planning as well. So while I was, working on my planning, I have done this entire March reset as well as like plan with me sort of a thing. So those videos are also up. You guys can go ahead and check it out. But I just wanted to include like some clips of it where I'm planning and getting productive ahead for the month and preparing. So guys, this was my video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.